your first interaction with Ariana Grande's stylist. What was that like? And do you ever think, like, am I just dreaming? Like, is this literally just a pinch me moment?
Yeah, I think that when there are people whose art that inspires you, it gives you a bit of a lift.
Yeah.
So these are people whose music I love, and when they appreciate my art in return, it's a huge moment for me.
So how did it come about? How did you dress? How did you give a hat to Ariana Grande or Doja Cat?
Do they slide into your DMs or do you slide into theirs?
Doja Cat messaged me and said, "Hello, Jesus, can you make me a hat?"
Are you serious? Like, where would she even come across? Like, where did she come across your pages even?
I don't know. You know, I had been stalking her stylist for months and months, so...
What do you mean stalking? Like, kind of sending their hairstylist messages?
Yeah, she has multiple... She has, you know, hairstylists, clothing, wardrobe stylists, assistants. I had never gone directly to her because I thought that that was just unrealistic. She has 25 million followers. They didn't see my messages. They were, you know, ignoring me. She obviously just stumbled across my page.
And sent you a message, just sent you... So Doja Cat sent you a direct message?
Started following me.
Oh
wow.
my gosh.
And what? Just ask, can you create something for me?
Hello, Jesus, can you make me a hat?
Really?
Yeah, but you call her your savior because, you know, you experienced like some negative experience or moments with certain celebs or even influencers, like I've seen on TikTok, trying to get your designs for free. So tell us why you describe her as your savior.
Right before Doja Cat slid into my messages, and a big star had, you know, their stylist had asked me to stay up all night for a few days working on custom boots, custom hats. And then as soon as I sent the invoice, you know, they kind of disappeared. So a few weeks later was when Doja Cat messaged me. So it's a bit of a roller coaster. You're going to be let down by people, and then there are going to be people to lift you up. So you have to kind of know your own worth before you engage with any of it, because if they're deciding your worth, like you're all over the place. So I've had to learn to like just know that I trust my designs no matter how they treat me.